got that in. Yeah. Oh, yes, I knew. Okay. Alright, we're good with that. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Uh-oh. Okay, we got another person here. Don't know.
A survivor shelter in this area has been destroyed.
Ah, take that.
Mark the last known location of the shelter.
There it is.
Travel to the shelter.
Oh. Let me get close to the shelter. Whoa.
Good. You've reached the shelter. Use the terminal to run diagnostics to see what's wrong.
Alright. Good, we got another. Ah, there it is. Boom, boom. Excellent. Whoa. Alright. Whoa. Alright. Should be an interesting one. Ooh. Take that out. As you can see, I definitely like me claws. Ooh. Oh, freaking bees. Whoa, dude. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay. Whatever. Shit. Oh. Shaboom. Ah, there we go. Hit the wrong button. Taking this up. Fist bumps. That should knock him right in there. Boom, boom. Excellent. Come on. Right into there. Oh. Right idea. Gotcha. Oh, here's another one. Lingered it. Going dead. All right. Seem to be good there. Uh-oh. Damn. Okay, I'm not sure what was up with that. Let's see if we can get the party started.
This shelter has been damaged pretty severely. Looks like the life support modules have all been stolen. These modules inflate and shield the shelter.
Alright, I'm gonna take a look around this way.
The modules have to be around here somewhere.
Ah,
Search the zone and return
here's the first one.
Survivor shelters are built by a fleet of construction bots.
Number one.
If the bots are attacked, they enter stealth mode and power down. To repair the shelter, we'll need to reactivate all of the construction bots. Unfortunately, their stealth
Got another
mode
one
is
already.
really effective. You're gonna need some help finding those missing construction bots. Let me see if I can send some help. It might take a few minutes. The construction bot has been reactivated.
Alright,
The
I will
module
go
now be
this way.
installed. Each part will take a minute to install. So, 8 modules, 1 minute per module. That equals a lot of bullets.
Whoa.
There's an incoming
Found
missing
another one.
kit. We have some time before they arrive. You can search for missing parts now or reinforce the shelter.
All modules?
Only 2 more modules. Keep searching. A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger.
Whoop.
New module installation has begun.
Alright,
All
I'm going.
modules have been located.
That's what I thought.
After all parts have been installed, the shelter will attempt to power back up. When this happens, expect a big fight. The enemy will come from all
Alright,
directions.
taking out some cars.
The power up process takes 4 minutes.
Excellent. Excellent. Let's head this way. Boom, 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 boom.
A
Oh, yeah,
module has
excellent.
been installed. The shelter
Take
is
out
now
the school
stronger.
bus.
New module installation has begun.
Ooh. Two of them. Ooh, what the hell's that? I'm not sure. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa.
A module has been
Abandoning
installed.
my
The
dino.
shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Woof. All right. Excellent. Alright, almost back there. Thought we had.
A module has been installed.
All
The
right.
shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
No, I'm still here. Still here. Alright, me at least put this up. Oh, whoa. Come on, big guy. Alright, shelter's over here.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger.
Whoop.
New module installation has begun.
Well, that should have been one of the first things to put down, dude. Alright, 2.5. We're good. We're good. Alright. Shit, you motherfucker.
A
Okay.
module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Okay, no healing thing over here. We will see. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, excellent.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun. Looks like the Husk's plans have changed. They seem to know the final part is being installed. They must be preparing for a larger attack. Get ready.
What the hell's he doing?
Installation resuming.
It was already our set. Didn't need to. He didn't need to alter it. Alright, party time. Almost. Ooh, got some bacon.
Here they come. Defend the shelter.
Alright. Oh, what the hell is that come from? Alright, got lad. There he is. That's what's trying to get worthy. Okay, where did we lose the... Alright, got that. Excellent. Does he have this offset? Alright, we're good. One of those guys. Lots of mini dogs. Probably got two up. Alright. Got it. I think we're good this way.
60 seconds until shelter online.
Gotcha. Still going nice. Working on it. Come on. Alright, 10 more seconds. Alright.
This
That
shelter
worked.
is now ready for action.
Wow, this is a stupid place to put the flag, though. Excellent. Got that one. Burn it somewhere. Alright. Get that bam. Excellent. Just try something real fast. Alright. Don't know if I can do it, but we will see. Alright. Alright, looks like that is working. Ooh. Okay, at 140.
Viela 1 is now live. Streaming Fortnite, February 3rd, 2024. Hopefully STW goes better today.
At 140. I'm in the 140. Oh. Okay, that's not it. Oh, there it is. Bingo. Okay, we got somebody else. Okay, let me look in my backpack though. All right. Give it a try. Alright, headed off in that direction. Oop. Whoa.
Landing site spotted. Nice find. Any attacks from the storm's creatures could corrupt the data. You'll want to build defenses around the balloon's landing site. You know how we're always coming up with gadgets to outsmart the storm? Well, that started an arms race. You know those rumors we've been hearing about an even more dangerous part of the storm? A corrosive storm that closes in on you, eventually swallowing you alive? Remember how I said that would never, ever, ever happen here? It's happening here. We need to retrieve the data before we're overwhelmed by the storm. So you'll want to move quickly. We only have 20 minutes. Keep an eye on the storm's movement on your map.
All right. that up.
We need to retrieve the data as usual, but this time we need to watch the storm. Exposure to the storm will hurt you. A lot. You'll take damage when you're in the storm, so keep an eye on your health.
Oh. Okay.
We've got a bonus in play.
Don't be stupid. EX. Okay. Floor launchers. Coming. Okay, why was I slowed down there? Okay.
https://twitter.com/dbila1.
Don't have enough for that one. No, not that one. Alright, come on. Come on. Damn it. Yeah, I need help. Oh shit. Go, you motherfucker. All right. All right. So I can't. No, I can't. All right. Can't do that. Right. Come on. Yep. Where are the other guys?
The only way we're going to retrieve all of the data is to shoot the balloon down as soon as possible. So bring down that balloon, download that data, and get ready to move. The balloon has landed. Defend that data.
Come on. Could have a little bit of a sequence there. Where's the rest of the guys?
File successfully retrieved.
Other guys over here? What the hell are you doing? Okay, dumbass, come on.
Another file.
Excellent. Oh, I hate those guys.
File successfully retrieved.
Finger, dude. Alright, yep, use that. Great,
Data's looking good.
good. Still just there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just stand here.
File successfully retrieved.
Whoa. Come on. Oh, he fell down. Whoa. Stuck there for a second. Whoa.
Another file.
Alright. About halfway. Whoa. Come on. Oh, you suck.
Another file.
Alright. Oh, you suck, dude. Oh. God damn you.
File successfully retrieved.
Ah, come on, heal up, heal up. Oh,
Remember to borrow.
alright. Whoa. Oh, girl. Whoa, what the? Frick. What happened? Oh, that's why. That's why. Alright, girl, down here.
Another file.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Another fire. Taking you left. Don't worry about me. Fight. jump, jump. Alright, 4 more, we'll get it anyways.
The storm wall's getting close.
Don't worry, I'm good. Protect the place. Alright, we're good on this side. Whoa. Gotta protect this stuff. Okay, we've got like 3 there. 3. Oh, dude. That's it. Whoa. We're on the last one. Oh, you mother. All right. Yeah, the whole group excellent.
Praiseworthy job, Commander. So, it's job. The data you collected will help us locate survivors and weak points in the storm.
Okay. Dark King was kicked. Okay, that was kind of funny. Burn is the word. Okay, we got one. Oh. Alright. Nope. This is the critter. Oh, that was sad. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Oop, going this way. Ah, here he is. Bill. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Dun, 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 dun. I like her, dude. Stop doing it. Definitely good for rice and seed. Alright, I'm good. No. Oof. That's kind of cool.
A survivor shelter in this area has been destroyed. I've marked the last
All right.
location of the shelter on your map. Travel to the shelter.
Boom, 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 boom. I thought we had a fourth guy. Whoa. Why am I...
Good. You've reached the shelter. Use the terminal to run diagnostics to see what's wrong.
Oof. All right. Hey, I'll take this lead. All right. Oh yeah, actually. Taking this stuff out. Whoa. Okay, we got something close by. Why are the other guys just standing there? You have no idea. I'm sure. Get him. Whoa. Why? Oh, more guys. More guys. Alright, I'm just about to die. Hopefully, one guy left. The hell? All right. Whoa. trying to sneak up behind me, I see. Bam, 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 bam. Whoa. Hopefully. Oh. Come on, pro Hank. Ooh, really? Ooh. Alright. Hopefully get somebody else. Back here doesn't look like it needs. Oh, cannon. I'll take that. Alright, we getting anybody that's actually trying to do anything? Oop. Let's see what happens.
This shelter has been damaged pretty severely.
Alright.
Looks like the life support modules have all been stolen. These modules inflate and shield the shelter.
Oop. Let's see what happens.
The modules have to be around here somewhere. Search the zone and return the missing parts.
Oop.
Survivor shelters are built by a fleet of construction bots. If the bots are attacked, they enter stealth mode and power down. To repair the shelter, we'll need to reactivate all of the construction bots. Unfortunately, their stealth mode is
Just got to.
really effective. You're gonna need some help finding those missing construction bots. Let me see if I can send some help. It might take a few minutes.
Alright. We will see. And that other
There's an
guy's
incoming
not
wave
doing
detected.
anything.
We have some time before they arrive. You can search for missing parts now or reinforce the
See if I
shelter.
can sneak by these guys.
The construction bot has been reactivated.
Hopefully.
The module will now be installed. Each part will take a minute to install.
Okay.
So, 8 modules, 1 minute per module. That equals a lot of bullets.
Alright. Still looking.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now
Am I the only one
stronger.
that's actually looking here?
New module installation has begun.
Alright, got one of those.
Help has arrived. Go find Seabot. I've marked his location on the
Alright,
map.
anything down here?
Seabot only has a limited amount of energy.
Not from
If
the
you don't
looks of
activate
it.
its scanner, it will have to return to recharge.
Whoa. Alright, still taking a look around. I mean, seriously, am I the only one looking?
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger.
Whoop. Alright, still working
New
on
module
down
installation
here.
has begun.
Oh, somebody else did find some. Amazing. Alright, baseball dude. Nuts and bolts.
C-Bot scan is ready to be activated.
Got another.
Defend C-Bot while scanning.
Hmm.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Alright, and head back over this way.
Only 2 more modules. Keep searching.
Oops. Make that one more. Okay, I just need to find that last one.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Quiet, please. I am seeing.
There's no need for them.
I am seeing.
Okay.
All modules have been located. After all parts have been installed, the shelter
My
will attempt to
precious
power back
eye.
up. When this happens, expect a big fight.
My
The
precious
enemy will come from
eye.
all directions. The power-up process takes 4 minutes.
Okay. Get anybody over here that's gonna help? Okay, looks like somebody was.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Alright. Yeah, man. Come on, you. Alright, you're good. Where are the other guys? Oh, they're gonna do nothing.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Oop. I'm not sure if it's gonna make it or not, but... Alright, come on. Oop.
installation of parts will pause while the shelter is under attack.
Oof.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun. Looks like the Husk's plans have changed.
Oh, yep, I already
They seem
got
to know
that.
the final part is being installed. They must be preparing for a larger attack. Get ready.
Hopefully the other guys come on down.
Installation resuming.
Oh, thought I had got that one. Apparently I did not. Are they really not going to come over and help?
Here they come. Defend the shelter.
Come on, dude. Come on. All right. Dude. Come on, big guy. Damn. Whoa. Ah, another epic. Dude, come on. Don't worry about him. Alright, where are you, buddy? Alright, where is he? Down the inside? Alright, where are you? We have 130. Ooh. Come on. Alright. Keep. Oh. Alright, where are they? Alright, I can't go over here. Okay. The last one. Alright, down the way. 3, 2, 1.
That's it.
All right.
This shelter is now ready for action.
Shelter's now very fast. Ba-ba-ba-boom. Excellent. Not bad. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, yeah, excellent. Oh, not bad.
Oh yeah, you gotta get swifty. You gotta get swifty in here. It's time to get swifty. Oh oh, you gotta get swifty. Oh yeah.
Gotta get swifty. Boom, 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 boom. Alright, where are we? That was 2. Alright, let me take a look. Okay, a 108 van. Whoop. Boom, boom, boom. 108 van is next. Whoop. Bingo, here we are. Robe shares. We got a chicken. We got a chicken on board. Okay. Somebody found the
Add
van.
blue glow to prepare for liftoff.
All right. All right. Let's see what I can do.
Remember to follow.
All right. Can I get some more? Gotcha. Alright, gotcha. I mean, yeah, that's enough. Alright, that is enough. Alright, should be good. Bam, bam. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, we should be good. Boom, 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 bam. Alright. Okay, what is it with people today? Just... Okay. Don't know. Alright, you got a giant chicken. Oh, I forgot to put my flag down. Alright. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on. Alright.
Defend the bag. We've got a bonus to play.
Come on. Gotcha. Whoa. Okay, we got people over here. Excellent. Yep. That's good. Excellent. Oof. Doing both. Okay. Doing both. 130 left. Dinner. If I wasn't dead now, that move. There we go. Come on. Alright. We all good?
Bonus challenge success. Good job, team.
Checking all the stuff
I think we'll need a
around.
little more blue glow. Add blue glow and get ready to defend the van. Flip the switch when you're ready.
Get somebody else to do that. I don't have any blue glow. Need somebody else to do it. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, if you've had people do that to me before. Don't have blue glow, so I cannot get started. I'll just have to look around then. Blue glow? Whoa. There's one. Oh, there it is. Alright, let's get this going.
Defend the van. We've got a bonus in play.
We got some more coming. Looks like we do have a boss. Where are you? There you go. Get down. Come on. Oh. Got ourselves right to the point. Let me out. Alright, nurse pitch. Another one. Oh. Oh, one of those guys. Hate those guys. These guys nasty. Suck. jump down. Nope, get. Oh. Sorry about that. There's 1 minute left. 1 minute left and we gotcha. Guys are almost done. Thirty seconds.
Remember to
There you
let
go.
the string.
Excellent.
Launch in
3, 2, 1.
liftoff!
Bingo. Baby go.
Bonus challenge success. Good job, team. We've got a floating man. Congratulations, people.
Excellent. Jonesy. Excellent.
You know, while on Rome.
Alright, excellent. Oh, forgot to do something. Switch that over. Boom, boom. And a boom. Alright, here we go. Excellent. That looks pretty good over there. Legendary Survivor. Alright, let me try. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Alright. Bear. Oh, definitely. No, I did not send a friend request. Alright, line up, my player surveyed. Might have to do that. Alright.
The last known location of the shelter on your map.
What?
Travel to the shelter.
Okay. Alright, he was being a little wiggity there. Oof. Ooh, duckies. Whoop. Excellent.
Good. You've reached the shelter. Use the terminal to run diagnostics to see what's wrong.
Okay, we gonna... Alright. I'm joining back in. Boop, 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 boop. Alright, let me get back in there. Not happy. Had some weird glitch happen. Oop. Yeah, a few more. Oop. Excellent. Boom, 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 boom.
1 minute per module. That equals a lot of bullets.
Whoa, whoa.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Alright,
Help has arrived.
we're going
Go
in.
find Seabot. I've marked his location on the map. Seabot only has a limited amount of energy. If you don't activate its scanner, it will have to return to recharge.
Right around. See what we're
Only
dealing
2
with.
more modules. Keep searching. Seabot scan is ready to be activated. Defend
Just
Seabot
2
while
more.
scanning.
Oh. Yeah, why you drop it? You're part of the problem, dude. Jumping around like an idiot.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
That. Perhaps. Alright, guess I gotta look around. Alright, come on.
All modules have been located.
Never mind.
After all parts have been installed, the shelter will attempt to power back up. When this happens, expect a big fight. The enemy will come from all directions. The power-up process takes 4 minutes.
I'm going.
A module has been installed.
Trying to
The
fly
shelter
over.
is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
I'm coming. Really? All right.
installed. The shelter is now stronger.
Okay.
New module installation has begun.
And upgrading up here. Ooh. Okay. Oh. Get a Dano over here.
A module has been
Ooh,
installed.
I have
The
got
shelter is
a
now
lot.
stronger. New module installation has begun. Seabot's charge is running out. Hurry up if you want to use the scanner. Check your map for the location of the medkit.
Be okay. Don't know why those guys are working on side missions. Well,
https://
high level?
twitter.com/dbila1.
oof. You okay?
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Oh.
Seabot is heading home to recharge. We'll return ASAP.
All right. All right, we're looking okay, I guess.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module
All right.
installation has begun. Looks like the Husk's plans have changed. They seem to know the final part is being installed. They must be preparing for a larger attack.
Excellent.
Get ready.
Yeah, whatever works.
Installation resuming.
Alright, let's get that. Ah, excellent. Boom, boom, boom.
Here
Uh-oh.
they come. Defend the shelter.
Oof. Got stuck there. Whoa. Get one guy. Ooh. Come on. Ooh. Finger bitch. Whoa. Down. the hell? Whoa. Alright, well, there he is. Yeah, man. Whoa! Down. Alright, we good? Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on. Good about that maneuver sometimes. Whoa. Oh yeah, running into that.
Remember
6 seconds.
to follow.
Oh yeah. Bounds away. 30 seconds, please. I am you. Oh. 8, 7. Alright, excellent.
This shelter is now ready for action.
Ooh. Clear. Get you. Excellent. Excellent. I Wonder Woman did not notice that. Two, 1, 0.
You said to get
Alright, we got the leads. Alright, we'll be right back. Just gonna go use the restroom. Alright, I am still here. Dun, dun. Oof. Alright, one more 160.
You said to get my cycle on my edge and with that 시간까지 떨어질 때 나이스 비도 마사이주 쇼리노 호텔 시키어다시
Boom, boom.
일수가
Alright. Dude, I hate when it does that. They really need to fix. Oop. Weekly. Alright. Ooh, haven't seen her in a while.
A survivor shelter in this area has been destroyed. I've marked the last known location of the shelter on your map. Travel to the shelter.
Travel to the shelter. Alright. Oop. Alright.
Good.
Steel here.
You've reached the shelter. Use the terminal to run diagnostics to see what's wrong.
Okay, that worked.
Hibiscus.
Oh, hey Warren. That's how you doing. Oh, I need a lot of stone. Whoa. Oh, that's good, man. Whoa. Dude. Ah. That should take him out. Well, thank you. Alright. Let's get that out of the way. I'll take all of that. Boom, boom, boom. Excellent. Whoa. Really? Yeah, man, you. Not bad. Nope, that did not work. Did not work at all. Oh! No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Whoa, 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 whoa. Come on, you. Oh my god. Alright, now let's give this another try. Was other.
This shelter has been damaged pretty severely. Looks like the life support modules
Alright.
have all been stolen.
Mhm.
These modules inflate and shield the shelter.
Mhm.
The modules have to be around here somewhere. Search the zone and return the missing
That
parts.
is the idea. Nope, I'll leave that.
Survivor shelters are built by a fleet of construction bots.
Giving up.
If the bots are attacked, they enter stealth mode and power down. To repair the shelter, we'll need to reactivate all
Oh.
of the construction bots.
Found one.
Unfortunately, their stealth mode is really effective. You're gonna need some help finding those missing construction bots. Let me see if I can send some help. It might take
Oh,
a few minutes.
excellent.
There's an incoming wave detected. We have some time before they arrive. You can search for missing parts now or reinforce the shelter.
Do you realize you doing that just makes things tougher, you
The
moron?
construction bot has been reactivated. The module will now be installed.
You're riding
Each
by
part will
like
take
an
a minute
idiot.
to install. So, 8 modules, 1 minute per module. That equals a lot of bullets.
Alright, give me that.
Help has arrived. Go find Seabot. I've marked his location on the map.
Nope,
Seabot
I
only has a
will not go
limited amount of
find
energy. If you
Seabot.
don't activate its scanner, it will have to return
We
to
have
recharge.
3.
A module has been installed.
Oop,
The
make
shelter
that
is now
5.
stronger.
6.
New module installation has begun.
7.
My precious eye.
Oh, they
Seabot scan is ready to be activated. Defend Seabot while scanning.
think they got him.
Only 2 more modules. Keep searching. All modules have been located.
Okay.
After all parts have been installed, the shelter will attempt to power back up. When this happens, expect a big fight. The enemy will come from all directions. The power-up process takes 4 minutes. A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Oop, on my way back here.
Remember to like the stream.
Trying to trap the chicken. Alright.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Alright, got leaves. Alright, that's it. Come down there. Alright. Idiots. Yeah, right. Better have other people over here.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Alright. And that's why people are doing it. Never understood. Try to get the recommended build. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. Almost got it.
Seabot's charge is running out. Hurry up if you want to use the scanner. A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun.
Like and subscribe.
Alright. Yeah, who knows? About a minute left.
Seabot is heading home to recharge. It'll return ASAP. A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger.
It is now stronger.
New module installation has begun.
Alright.
Installation of parts will pause while the shelter is under attack.
Okay.
A module has been installed. The shelter is now stronger. New module installation has begun. Looks like the Husk's plans have changed. They seem to know the final part is being installed. We must be preparing for a larger attack. Get ready. Installation resuming.
Hopefully. Excellent. Excellent.
Here they come. Defend the shelter.
Problem is gonna be this way. Alright. Got more coming. I was there. Going over. Oh, excellent. Oh, is it really one of those? Yep, it is. I hate those ones. Come on. Yeah. Hey, boy. Whoa. Okay. Oh no!
https://twitter.com/dbla1.
Alright, come on. 3. Come on, come on. Alright. Alright, where? Ooh, it's in here. Alright. Whoa.
60 seconds until shelter online.
Come on, it's almost in. Keep an eye on the back side. Wait 30 seconds. Oh, I'm out of ammo.
That's it.
Oof.
This shelter is now ready for action.
Excellent. Alright. There you go. Got that.
Right foot creep, oh, I'm walking with it.
Boom, 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 boom. Hmm. Boom, 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 boom. Ah, excellent. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Saved. Excellent. That should bring me up to a 6. Yep. Do more another day.
How safe are these x-rays?
Nope. Get one of these guys.
Remember me!
Excellent. Okay, I got those guys. Alright. Heroes. Defenders. Bam, 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 bam. Survivors. Oof. Oh. Got one. Excellent. Boom, 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 boom. Excellent. Alright. Okay, at least I got one. Haven't gotten one in a while. Armory. Resources. Oh, that's it. There. Backpack. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom. Okay, what do I have? Sniper. Okay, I got a lot of stuff I need to upgrade. Alright. Alright, let's switch on over. Boom, boom, boom. Oof. Okay, alright, let me get into her. Oh well, okay, I haven't used him in a while. Did I accidentally archive her? I think I might have archived her. I might have archived her. Oh no, right there. Get it? Oh. Yeah, right.
Remember to follow.
Interesting look. Okay, that should be funny. Oh. Whoop. Boom, boom, boom. Oh. Oh, quest. That's what I was looking for. Hide in different spot. Yeah, okay. I'm going back in the locker. I'm not sure I like that. I'll do a trio. See what we're dealing with here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, what the hell is that? Alright, here, yep, Cowabunga. I'm not sure what that's about. What do you take it so down here? Boom, boom. Alright, come on. Alright. Boom, boom. Alright. Alright. Oh, there's one of my guys. Ooh, Captain America. Okay, anybody want to go anywhere? Well, thank you. Thank you very much. What the hell is going on? Alright. Assuming... Oh. All right, I'm here. Whoa. Would have been nice if you would have been, All right, guess I'll go this way. Yeah. Whoa. Are you okay? Oh. Forester error. Take that. Okay, that's kind of cool. Oop. All right. Where's the garbage can? Garbage can. All right. Oop. Okay, it's gonna go. Shouldn't we try to stick together? Alright. Alright, Kip.
https://twitter.com/video1
take these. Again, make it. Ooh. Oh. Alright, he's going this way. I'll follow him. Alright, got you. Thunder Burst SMG. Oof. Oh, where's my other guy? Oh, there he is. Ooh. Oof. Alright, Kim. Boom, 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 boom. Whoa. I'll check in there. Ah. Got that. Oh, he's too far away for us. Alright, kill him. Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Alright, come on. Oof. Alright, I'm going back this way. Alright, so where is my teammate? It's that way. Gonna wanna turn around, dude.
Remember to like the stream.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Motherfucker. Alright. All depends on Cat. All depends on Cat. Not bad. Alright, I'm gonna cut that off a little early tonight. I got some guests over, so hey, can't be rude type thing. Oh. Jubilation milk. Yeah, I don't even know what this is from. Alright. Okay, why the hell's what's going on here? Boom, boom. Why is he still here? I don't know, can I get anything? Let's get that. I need 30 to finish this up, and I can go after it. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna leave that here for tonight, guys. You guys want to know when I'm on again? Remember to follow, like, subscribe, and all that, and catch you guys later. See you next time. Bye-bye.